Do you want to make up to $500 per hour online? Well, today I'm about to show you a method which involves you to make $500 per hour online using Google News. Yes, you heard it right. Google, the big tech giant. You can easily make more than $500 per hour if you are willing to commit the time required to make this much money. I know this sounds impossible and this is a lot of money for most of you. But trust me, this method actually works and has been proven to make more than $500 every single hour for the past few months for many people. So what this method is all about. So I'm about to show you this amazing method where you will be taking content from Google News and then using it in your own way on another website to make money. Now this method is something secret which was not shared earlier by me on my channel or in fact by anyone on any YouTube video ever. This is something very fresh and very unique and is not known to many people. Now there are few people who knew this method but they never shared it online because this method was making so much money for them that they were really happy with the results and they decided not to reveal it. But here I am, the kind guy who is trying to reveal all these secret methods so that you can start making money online today right now. So what this method is all about. So this method has 3 basic steps. Let's talk about these 3 basic steps one by one, and I'm sure that you'll be very confident and you'll be in fact making this kind of money right after you watch this video. So let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos. So now let's get started. So first you need to go to Google News. Now Google News is a platform created by Google where you can see news from the entire world. In Google News you'll find various categories here. For example, world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. And in fact not only that, you can even search for topics of what topic you are looking for, what kind of news you are looking for. All of that information is available. Since Google is an enormous resource for a lot of information, you can definitely leverage its power for your own benefit. So how to use Google's power for your own benefit? It's very simple. Go to the category in which you want to create content for free. For example, I want to create content in technology niche. So I'll click on technology here. Then I'll click on technology. It will give me subtopics: mobiles, gadgets, internet, virtual reality, artificial intelligence. Let's say I want to go to virtual reality and then I want to see this article. So I just need to click on this article and Google will take me to that article where I can read this entire article. Now similarly you can go to many of these articles and see all the content if you want. So let's say I come back to this website and I like this content and I want to reuse this content in my own website. So what I'll do is I'll just select all of this content and then I'll simply copy it. That's the most simple step. Simply copy it. Now I'm about to reveal you the step 2 for this method. So step 2 is very simple. What we are going to do is we are going to spin this content. So to spin this content, you need to go to a website called as spinbot.com. Spin.com is a free to use website where you can spin articles, rewrite text and create content absolutely free. You don't need to pay any kind of money to this website. So now when you come to spin.com, you'll see this option, enter text to rewrite. So here you have to add the text which you want to rewrite. So now to rewrite it, I just have to paste my content here. So I'll right click and I'll click on paste button and you can see that all of that content is pasted here now. So now scroll down and click on this I am not a robot option. Now once you click that, you'll see it's enabled and then click on go. And you'll see that within a second your rewritten content will appear. So as you can see that my rewritten content has appeared and it's completely free of any plagiarism and I can use it. It is free of any spelling or grammatical errors. So now I can copy it and I can use it in whatever way I want. So now how to actually use it? Well, there are 3 websites which I'm about to show you now. This is the final step of this method. These 3 websites are the places where you can actually sell this content for a very good price. So let's go to each one of those websites one by one and see how much money you can make on each one of them. So first website which I'm going to show you is textbroker.com. Textbroker.com is an amazing website which will pay you for every single word you have ever written. So to see how much money you can make, just hover onto I write content and then click on payment. Now here you can see that the author registration is completely free of cost. You don't need to pay any kind of money. Now you can write and make money online using this. Now you don't actually have to write because we are using the automatic writer tool for us, which is the spinbot.com. You can see that for every word you write, you'll be making 5 cents, 1.4 cents. Normally 2-star and 3-star content are for the people who don't know good English, but since we are using a bot which is an excellent tool which is free of any grammatical errors, your content will be placed in this category, 5 stars. So you'll be making up to 5 cents per word. In fact, if you want to calculate, you can just see that what kind of quality of your content is having. So I'm having 5-star content and I'm writing around 1000 words, I'll be making $50. If I'm producing 2000 words, I'll be paid $100. If I'm producing 10,000 words, I'll be paid $500. So like I showed you on Spinbot, you can produce a lot of content all together. So that's why I'll definitely recommend you to go to textbroker.com and start selling content on textbroker.com. Now the second website which I'm about to show you is called as iWriter. So iWriter.com is an amazing website, and on that website as well, you can see for every 1000 words you'll be paid $20 or you'll be paid $72 depending on the quality of the content. The content which you are producing will be placed in the Elite Plus category, so I'm sure you'll be making up to $72 per 1000 words. That is equivalent to $362 per 5000 words, or more than $720 per 10,000 words. So this is a wonderful opportunity for you to make money using iWriter.com. So go to iWriter.com right now and start producing content and sell it online. Now the third website which I'm about to show you is called as Scripted.com. So Scripted.com is a powerful website where you can sell content at a very good price as well. If you go to the plans, and you'll see that how much money you can make. So again on this website as well, you'll be paid around $1,300 for just 10 pieces of content, or you can say 10,000 words. So this is the power of these 3 websites which I've showed you in this video. Now you need to make sure that you keep this method consistent and start creating content on regular basis and then sell it. Because once you are consistent, you'll be able to make unimaginable amount of money using these techniques which I've showed you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.